Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start in Fairlight with your clip selected. This is where EQ matters. First, open the EQ panel and enable the spectrum analyzer so you can see problematic frequencies. Once done, normalize or set a reference loudness so your adjustments are audible and consistent. Make sure monitoring is accurate and use headphones or calibrated speakers. Then create a track EQ instance. You'll work on a single track first to isolate issues before applying changes to buses or masters. You now identify problems by sweeping a narrow cue and boosting gain briefly to find resonant peaks. You'll hear ringing or harshness immediately. Once located, reduce gain with a narrow cut, subtractive EQ cleans clutter without sounding processed. For presence, use a wide bell boost around 3.6 kHz sparingly. Apply a gentle high pass at roughly 80 to 120 Hz for dialogue to remove rumble. Make small moves, bypass often, and compare with and without changes to judge. You finish by balancing levels and using a /B comparison. Toggle bypass often so you don't mistake loudness for better tone. Once satisfied, adjust makeup gain or track fader to restore perceived level and then check the master bus. Render a short section and listen on multiple systems. If something sounds off, check phase relationships, plug-in order, or clip gain staging. These are common causes. Remember to save a preset of your settings for reuse and consistent results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.